Hi, in this video, I will show you how to fix Nvidia graphic card not detected on your system. So, this can happen in Device Manager, Nvidia Control Panel, or even during driver installation. Follow each step carefully. Step 1 is checking your display cable connection. If you're on a desktop, look at the back of your PC. Make sure that your HDMI or display portal cable is plugged into the GPU, not the motherboard port. If the monitor is connected to the motherboard, Windows will ignore the Nvidia GPU completely. Plug it into the GPU and restart your PC. Now, step 2 is forcing Windows to detect the GPU. Simply go to the search bar and search for Device Manager, open it, then click Actions at the top and search for Scan for Hardware Changes. So click Action and choose Scan for Hardware Changes. If the GPU is working correctly, it should appear under Display Adapters. Click Display Adapters and right click and click Scan for Hardware Changes. After you do this, you will see your GPU just right here. If nothing shows up, continue with step 3. So enable GPU in BIOS. Restart your PC, enter into BIOS using F2, F10, Dell or escape button depending on your brand. Look for PCLE setting, primary display, switchable graphic or discrete GPU. Make sure that PCLE is enabled, primary display is PCLE and PEG and integrated graphic is auto or disabled. Save and restart your PC because a disabled PCLE slot is a common reason the GPU doesn't appear. Now, step 4 is resetting the GPU on desktop only. So shut down your PC and unplug the power cable. Open your case, remove the GPU, clean the PCLE slot lightly and put the GPU back firmly until it clicks. Also make sure that both 8-pin and 6-pin PCLE power cables are connected. Fans spin when the PC starts. Loose connections make the GPU invisible to Windows. Now, step 5 is updating motherboard chipset drivers. Go to your motherboard or laptop brand website. For example, I can open the browser and search for chipset driver, and if I will have AMD chipset or motherboard, I will search AMD chipset driver. Click on this link. Now, download the latest drivers for your chipset and these will help Windows detect hardware correctly. Also restart once the installation is complete. Now, step 6 is installing the latest Nvidia driver. So download the correct driver from Nvidia's website. Go to the search bar and search for Nvidia drivers download. Now, click on this link. It will take you to this page. Here, simply select your driver series, what kind of driver you have, your Windows and click find. It will open up another page where you'll have to simply click on the driver that you want to install. I will choose this one and click view. Now, I'll have to simply click on download button, install it and that will instantly fix my problem. Now, moving on to step 7, you can open Device Manager. So go to the search bar and search for Device Manager. Now, click View option and select Show Hidden Devices. After you select this, you'll be able to see your Nvidia GPU faded and Microsoft Basic Display Adapter driver. So you can click on Display Adapters and you will see it just right here. Right click and click Uninstall Device. Then reboot your PC, reinstall the driver shown from the earlier website and this will remove broken entries. Now, step 8 is disabling fast boot. So open Control Panel, go to the search bar and type in Control Panel, hit enter. Now, choose Power Options or go to the search bar and search for Power Options. So click on Power Options and turn off Fast Startup. So click on Change Plan Setting and here turn off the Fast Startup. Fast boot can skip GPU initialization on some systems. Then restart your PC normally and that will fix your problem. Step 9 is testing GPU in another system. So if your GPU still doesn't appear, test it in another PC or test a different GPU in your PC. This will help confirm whether the issue is in the GPU or the motherboard. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.